Hello everyone, welcome to Swiflearn YouTube channel where we connect live with our lovely YouTube kids. Thanks for giving such a great response to the Mathemagic series. So today we are coming up with a new session number 7. So before we starting, let me tell you something about the platform Swiflearn. So Swiflearn is an online platform which offers 100% live and interactive classes. So here the teacher is present live in front of you to teach you all the topics, all right, and ask you your doubts. So if there is a big group, so can teacher concentrate on each one of you? No, we know that beforehand. And that's why we have prepared a attention badge. We are offering a attention badge which is personalized with maximum of 6 students. Yes, a badge with maximum of 6 students where you can bring all your friends or your school friends or your nearby friends coming together and making your own personalized badge. All right, here not only there is a teacher who's taking a track of your progress, but there is a dedicated academic mentor team which keeps your classwork, homework, assessment, each and everything is tracked. Not only that, the timing in which you perform is also being tracked by this academic mentor team. Isn't that great? Yes, we also handle syllabus as per school exam schedule. So whenever you have an exam, you can let us know before that and we will make sure that we are covering all the syllabus. So that's why known as India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1st to 10. So each one of you who are in the grade 1st to 10th, remember to subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon and give it a free trial class. We are offering you all. Yes, you can book a trial class which is absolutely free for you all and check whatever I'm saying, is it true or not? All right, so let's start with the Mathemagic, a series to explore mathematical series sessions of session number 7. So everyone ready to know what is the mathematical skill that we have for you today? All right, so today is it's a magical clock. So had you ever imagined that what is a clock? You all know that, right? But how can a clock be magical? See, a clock can be magical, but letting us know that every time when I see the clock, I'm able to get some of the subtractions which are so true. So there is some pattern which a clock tells us and we are able to solve it quickly. So do you want to know what are the patterns today? All right, so here we go. Let's see how is a magical clock looks like. So here we go, subtraction in a straight line. So what does mean? It means that we are subtracting numbers in a straight line. So everyone ready to know what is a subtraction? All right, so let's start subtractions 12 and 6. So when you subtract 12 and 6, what do you get, guys? What is 12 minus 6? It is 6. Now let's see, does it happen actually in all form of questions or it does not? So here we go, let us see. So when we look at the subtraction in a other way, so let me make a straight line. Let's make it straight lines. So what is happening, guys? What is 7 minus 1? It is 6. All right. What is 6? 8 minus 2. Let us see that. So we are making straight lines, rectangular boxes. What is it? 8 minus 2 is 6. Isn't that unique? Did you realize that actually it is possible? Let's do another one. Let's see. What is 6? 9 minus 3. Is it 6? Yes, it is. Moving on to the next one. What is 10 minus 4? What will it be? Now I think you all know that. Yes, it is 6. Moving on to next one. What will be 11 minus 5? See? Now we all know whenever we are traveling from a straight line and a question is asked you in a form of a clock, magic. So you were at 3 o'clock right now. Now you have reached to a position for traveling. You reached at 9. So how much hours did you take? You know what is 9 minus 3? It is 6, right? Similarly, you know you are carrying this much distance. It is 6 hours that it took for you to reach to a required destination. So this is how it helps. So you can see that this clock, it's so magical. Then we keep on subtracting in a straight line. We always get the answer as 6. Isn't that great? So it's a unique way of looking at a clock. And next time when you look at a clock, you know how to do calculations and you know how do you speed up your subtraction using a number which always gives the answers as 6. All right, so this was a subtraction in a straight line. So let's do another practice. So this not the end of the magical clock. There is one more magic that gives us the same answer. Excited to know that? All right, so let's see the next pattern. So next pattern is a subtraction pattern. What does it say? Whenever you subtract this number and drag a straight line, you always get the number. When you subtract 12 minus 1, what do you get? 11. Let's try another one. When we subtract 12 minus 2, what do we get? 10. All right, so let's see another one. What is 12 minus 3? So we go directly, we get it as 9. All right, moving on to next one. Let's see that. 12 minus 4 will give you 8. Isn't that great? Yes. So whenever you are doing a subtraction from 12, you need to look at the clock. So whenever is a question that need to be subtracted from 12, you know you have a clock handy with you. So whatever the number that comes straight gives you the answer. Let's try another one. What is 12 minus 5? It is 7. All right. Last one. We know what we learned. We have learned that the straight line gives us always the answer as 6. So that means even if it goes back, it will remain here itself. So in the straight line, we know 12 minus 6 gives us always the answer. Whenever you're subtracting on a clock, a straight line, it gives us the answer as 6. So we know it directly. So isn't that great that whenever you need to subtract some numbers by 12, your clock is the one that is giving you a hint. So next time you don't need to evaluate, just look at the clock. You know what is 12 minus 1, go the straight line, you get is 11. 12 minus 2, straight line, that is 10. 12 minus 3, straight line, that is 9. 12 minus 4, that is 8. 12 minus 5, that is 7. And 12 minus 6 is straight because it's a straight line that we are subtracting. So whenever in a clock we do a straight line subtraction, we always get the answer as 6. Great, guys. So I hope you helped this clock to subtract some questions. So isn't that some interesting thing that a clock is trying to tell us beforehand? Yes. So these are the small minor things that are taught to you in this sessions, which makes the things little interesting. So next time you can let us everybody know that, see, the clocks also tell us so many subtraction tricks. So we just need to follow a pattern and we are done. So I hope you enjoyed this session and you had a great time. If you really liked it, remember to subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And the next session, number 8, whatever we are coming up, you need to remember to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon so that you get the notification beforehand and you will be the first one to check the session number 8 and be ahead with your friends. All right. Till then, guys, take care. Bye-bye.